River's Edge, we are back. Oh my god, the sound of the river, like I miss this place. So we were here last year for Labor Day weekend. Okay, so we're back in our room.
Memories.
Yeah, memories.
My bed. Back at it again.
Yeah. Back at it again. And this is my bed. Yes. Yes. Yeah.
Everything?
Yes, breakfast. This is what I was anticipating the whole time.
I couldn't help. I started.
Huh?
I couldn't help myself. I already started.
And I was waiting for you, yeah?
We're waiting.
Let's jam in.
Tony, good morning.
Yeah. No, we usually go down the other side. So breakfast was good. Now we're just gonna chill until later. Rocking my twist out. Twist out.
No towels, no rag.
Nobody brought any towels, right?
My feet, my boat up fresh.
So we're going to the river. We're heading to the river now to just chill and wait on our coconuts. Them two taking selfies. Wait.
Oh, it's pocket once more.
Let me see.
It's cute.
Oh. Oh dear.
It's okay to pass.
So yeah. Huh? the camera now got spoiled.
Come back up.
It's nice weekend.
I wish you never put up your hand like that. One back and pause when you walk. As in walk, go down in slow motion.
Turn her into a model. Snapchat.
No, you go down too far.
You're going down too far.
You just want to be like, alright, stand up on the second step. Then back to tell her to pose the shop also. Yeah.
So yeah, the birthday boy and everyone is at the... Oh, them find a little rock pool. Nice. Ashley, yeah. Hey. So there they are. Down by the rock pool. Tyler, be careful. I did not leave my over here. Oh God. Ah. The water is cold. Woo. Oh my God. Be careful right here, slippery. Oh. Sorry. I want to get over there in one piece. Ah. he's taking his shoes off. Hey! Woo! Oh my god, it's cold.
Hold on, put this one right here where my foot is. See right there, okay? See where my foot is? Right now? Right there. Like right there.
Look at this one.
The water is wet and
Cold. The water is wet and cold, really? Looking cute on the sideline. Makeup done and all.
right.
Alright, so we say goodbye to another year at River's Edge. On.
Always the tongue. Always the tongue. The bad habit the next. 12 trips.
I'll wait until he was off.
No,
Do much weight at the same time.
That's it. We'll make it.
Hello. Hi. Hello. Good. Good. Everything set? All shredding.
I've never seen you yours.
Oh.
The hand doors.
Yeah.
Put your hands down in them, right?
Done them? Ah.
Big blow.
And the hashers are coming in.
Yes. Mr. We are here.
Mr. Monaro, have my money.
Territory.
Just put it in a baby. It is little cutie.
How she get big? Not stumbling around.
Alright. Just left Portland and now we're in Kingston and it's a hash Sunday. So I'm pretty excited and ready. I need a hike, you know, get fit again because look at my belly. Oh my god, I need to close that door, man. But yeah, look at my belly from the weekend. This is what the weekend did to me. Like, look at that. But yeah, I'm ready to hike and I need a massage because my back is killing me. But yeah, I need to pee. Oh wait, I need to pee.
I'm gonna see no through.
Huh? Where's Cavill? Well, I see Tony. Watch your Cavill running. Oh, Lord.
Are you all aware that this is the property of the United States? And he was there busily doing the atmosphere. All the palm trees are complaining. So of course, the security went across to him. And of course it was, Jamaica, man.
No problem.
You can light a 3-ounce spliff and it's no problem. And the gentleman said, sir, this is not Jamaica. This is the United States. And it was like, well. full marks for conforming.
But there's
Let
Colorado.
me zoom in for them dirty face. Legalize marijuana.
Colorado. I can tell you now, these people are well prepared. They're well organized. I bet they have a jail here.
Look at him stealing.
They have a jail here.
He hasn't been in here yet. It's very dark.
So just wait until you go through the gate. And you can, I tell you, you can light a 5-foot split and blow the place all the way down to Manor Park.
An extra long split.
Extra long. So, you know, we have a deal.
Deal.
We have to behave. Or else we'll never get invited back here.
I think that's already been done. I think that was before I got here.
All right. And then we have a couple of shortcutters. I don't even have to call
Let me
them.
zoom in.
Thank you. I knew you short. I said you were a cheater.
Where's Orgasm? Where's Orgasm? Where's she? She gone? Yeah. Oh, yes.
The one you cheated.
Just because I wanted to be here. All right. Here's some criminals.
Donna, sober up. Come on.
Seriously, Albert. Seriously.
We're breaking a bottle.
There are ashes through and through. There are ashes, so they say. I'm a long way. Drink it down, 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 down. Why are we waiting? Why are we waiting? Why are we
Okay, get up.
Everybody's gonna get food.
Okay.
I didn't realize they're going for food.
Hello.
So everybody went for food. The circle is not finished yet, yeah?
So it wants to be soon.
No beer.
Wait, wasn't enough? Wasn't enough? Whoa.
Boogie.
We want someone for the next hash in 2 weeks' time. Where's Chin? The ghost hash of Chin and Yan. Still missing. Finally. Will it ever happen? Never happen. We'll let you know.
Okay.
2 weeks' time. Food is there.
Thank you.